afternoon, class. My name is Erniesi.
My name is Herlin Firman Putri.
My name is Clara Yuniarti.
My name is Margareta Duruyan.
My name is Jessie Kristianti.
Let's see our vlog.
Traveling to West Borneo is not complete without visiting Indonesia's outermost border in Sambas Regency, West Borneo. The Aruk border has become increasingly popular since President Joko Widodo has built infrastructure for a cross-border area. In fact, the Aruk Integrated State Border Post or PLBN is now one of the grandest borders in Sambas Regency. This time, I will invite you to explore the appearance of the buildings and activities at the Aruk Integrated PLBN which was inaugurated by President Jokowi on March 17, 2017. As soon as you arrive at the Aruk PLBN, you will see a magnificent portal when you enter the Aruk PLBN zone. You can see a monument in a form of the typical Dayak silk and its carvings. There is Aruk Indonesia written in red and white. The head of the Aruk PLBN Area Development Subdivision, Purwokerto, compared the structure of the old and new PLBN buildings. In the past, when the postal crossing connected Kuching, Malaysia to Indonesia was only a post without the support of technological facilities. However, now technology such as X-ray and CCTV are available. Now, the Aruk Integrated PLBN has undergone the second phase of construction with an area of about 4 hectares.
Border Aruk contains Wisma Indonesia buildings, churches, mosques, market, and food courts as well as Plaza Indonesia. Meanwhile, the guest house is currently being proposed to the central government so that tourists will cross to Sarawak or vice versa to West Kalimantan. As for the guest house itself, actually the PLBN officers are here. The guest house is a kind of hotel or apartment. There are 4 floors, the number of rooms is 70 units. If my personal desire is to rent it out, especially in Sajangan Besar, there is no proper accommodation.
In addition to building, the PLBN rest area was also built, which was equipped with Wisma Indonesia. In the rest area adjacent to the Aruk PLBN, there are mosques and churches that stand side by side. What are you thinking? Sturdy, tolerant, isn't it? Furthermore, Wisma Indonesia in the border area is managed by the National Border Management Agency. As for the use of Wisma Indonesia, besides being able to be used for overnight stays, it is also a place to carry out various government activity and so on.
In the Aruk PLBN area, there are several service facilities that have been running for a year. There are several posts built before vehicles from Indonesia to Malaysia enter. The post consists of health, fishery, and agricultural quarantine posts. Then, inside the PLBN building, there are also customs and excise service, immigration, health institution, and the National Border Management Agency. Among the 7 border posts, Aruk PLBN is the grandest crossing post built by the government through the Ministry of Development and Public Housing.
Arriving at the Aruk PLBN, those of you who have expectations that there are only big gates will be stunned. There is a rest area that can be considered modern, clearly written Aruk Pasar Wisata. Aruk Pasar Wisata has a food court area with a variety of food choices. Not only food, there is also a variety of drinks and knickknacks are also sold there. Those of you who want to relax in the rest area and taste the various culinary delights there don't have to worry about running out of cash. In the Aruk PLBN area, you can find BRI ATMs. The distance is about 4 kilometers from the border post or 6 minutes drive. The location is close to the Sajingan Besar Health Center.
The border areas Aruk Sambas have great potential in the tourism sector. One of them is in the Riam Sungai Banong, tourist attraction in Sajingan Besar Aruk Sambas. Riam Sungai Banong is a bath that is commonly used by local people, not in the form of a pond, but the flow of river waters is so clear. When at the location, the sounds of river flowing can be heard clearly. Large stones are arranged to form a natural bridge that provides an opening for waters to flow. There is also a naturally formed pool. The water is so clear visitors can see the bottom of the pool. It's not too deep but can be used for adults to swim.